Hi guys. Firstly, I will explain what's the meaning of the square root. For 5 square, that meaning is 5 multiply itself. So it's equal to 25. So this square number is the number multiply itself. Another example is 6 square, that meaning is 6 multiply itself is 6 multiply 6, so it's equal to 36. So the square root of this number. What's the meaning of the root? For example, the square root for 36. What's the meaning of this? So I will find two numbers that is the number multiply itself that equal 36. That is 6 multiply 6, so the root is equal 6. Other example is the square root of 49. I will search about two number multiply itself is equal 49. That is 7 multiply itself 7. So it's equal 49. So the square root of 49 is equal 7. But the square root for 34. Now this is not square number. So I can't find the square root of 34. So I will use the estimation of the square roots. So what's the meaning of this method and how I can find this by the method? So go to example. The estimate of the square root is, take this example as the square root for 43. I have 3 steps. The first, put 34 between two square number as 36 and 25. Step number 2, take the square root for all of them. So the square root for 25 less than the square root for 34 and the square root of 36. So the square root for 25 is equal 5 and the square root of 34 is unknown and the square root of 36 is equal 6. So the square root of 34 between 5 and 6. Step 3, we draw the line of number and put 5 and 6 in this line and create decimals as 10 decimals, but 34 is approximate for 36, so it's approach for 6. So the square root of 34 is 3.6 or 3.7 or 3.8 and or 3.9. Take our other example is the square root for 19. So the solution is 19 is between two square number as 16 and 25. Take the square root for all of them, so it's equal the square root of 16, so it's 4, and less than the square root of 19, less than the square of 25 is equal 5. Then draw the line, put 4 and 5 in the line, and 19 is approach for 25, so the square root of 19 approach for the 5. So I will take the square root of 19 is equal 3.9, 3.8, and 3.7 and any decimals for this. So you must use this method, not use the calculator. Goodbye.